Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to import and reduce survey data using Stringer Topo software. Are you facing challenges when transferring data from your survey equipment into your design software? In this video, we'll show you how to make that process easy and efficient using Stringer Topo, turning your raw field data into usable COGO points and line work in just a few steps. Let's get started. Open your CAD software and make sure you're in the Stringer Survey tab. To begin, go to the Import and Reduce list and click Import and Reduce, or simply launch Stringer Connect from the Toolspace. A window will open. Since we're starting a new project, click on File New Project, give your project a name for easy access later, and optionally fill in details like the surveyor's name, date, and other notes. In this tutorial, we'll skip that and move on. Under COGO Point Type, select Civil 3D COGO Points, since we're working in Civil 3D. In the Data Storage tab, you can choose whether to store the project file in your working directory. You can also set your default styles like code sets and string sets. Once you're ready, click Create to start your project. Now it's time to bring in your data. Click on Add, name the dataset, and use the Browse button to select your survey file. On the bottom right, you'll see a list of supported raw data formats you can upload directly into your project. Stringer Topo smoothly handles data from major survey instruments such as Leica, Socia, Nikon, Topcon, and Trimble, with common file types like Autodesk FBK, Leica GSI, Nikon DN, Topcon FC data, Trimble job files, and CSV files. For this video, we're using SDR data from a Socia device, so let's choose that extension. Click Add and the raw survey data will appear in the window, complete with instrument height, orientation, and all shot records. After uploading your data, you can still edit it easily. Just click on the item you want to edit and its details will appear on the right. Make your changes and you'll notice the edited item is highlighted in yellow, clearly showing what's been modified. If you want to revert the changes, simply right-click the edited item, select Reset Item, and it will return immediately to its original state. You can also ignore specific data points if needed. Simply right-click the item you want to exclude, choose Set Ignore, and the software will mark it with a grey highlight and strike through line, clearly indicating it's been ignored. To undo this action, right-click again and select Reset Item. Need to find or replace a specific point? Use the search feature to locate items easily and replace them with another point effortlessly. If you want to add a new item manually, click Add Item. You'll be able to insert new records such as notes, shots, coordinates, or any other data type you require from the available options. In the Control tab, click on Control Editor to add or modify control points. The software may automatically import control points from the data file you've uploaded, but if your control points are saved separately, just use Import Control File. To edit existing control points, select the point you want, then click on Set Selected Control. Here, you have several editing options, using Civil 3D COGO points, General COGO points, manually picking a point directly from the CAD drawing, or even choosing an automatic option for quick adjustments. You can preview your data before reduction by clicking on the 2D Data Viewer, which displays all shots and radiations graphically. Click on any element to highlight and review its info. From the Home tab, control what details you want to show: point number, elevation, code, and more. You can even display an aerial image if available. Need a report? Click the Report button to view tolerances or check for any backside errors. You can also access and edit control points directly using the dedicated Control Points button, which opens the same editor window we explored in the Control tab. Additionally, there's a useful option to visually replay the survey, letting you see exactly how each shot was taken. To further fine-tune your project, you can adjust the tolerance for backside errors in the Settings menu, ensuring your survey data stays accurate and reliable. Once everything is reviewed, go to Reduce Coordinates. A window will pop up showing your data, and Stringer will automatically detect duplicate points, highlighted in mint green. You can filter or exclude duplicates by selecting them and using Exclude Points from the Tools tab. Once your data is reduced, you can either place a point table in your drawing or export it to a file format. Now that we have reduced points, let's generate the COGO points. A prompt will ask if you'd like to create survey lines. Click Yes. Another window opens for survey strings creation. Here you can click Edit on the line set table to define break lines, 2D or 3D line work, and assign them to layers. When done, click Apply and Close, then create survey strings. Your COGO points are now created, and even better, Stringer will generate the surface automatically. You can later edit any connections from the Connect button in the Toolspace, and once ready, just click Create Update COGO Points to finalize the updates. And there you have it. A complete process from raw survey data to surface-ready COGO points in just a few clicks. Need to simplify your field-to-finish process? Stringer Topo makes it easier than ever. Contact Present Trade today to get started and claim your free trial. Let us help you bring accuracy and speed to your surveying workflow effortlessly. Happy designing!